The biggest issue I've had over the past number of years is the fact that no one really understood what I wanted, and it always felt like I had to do everything.
Our current economic realities and the more fluid migration of talent to other pastures has created a big decrease in employee engagement, one in which it's harder to create or develop an ownership culture, which is where forums at work comes in.
A lot has changed compared to how we used to communicate. Sean thinks ahead and he wants you to catch up as quickly as possible. But with Forum, he's now able to listen, to understand before he draws conclusion and then, act on it. He listens more and he wants you to come with your own idea. Before now, it's just about, this is how I feel about it, and that's it. But now with Forum, the engagement is more.
It wasn't until I brought Forums at Work when I was able to unite forums and in the workplace.
We are able to address conflicts now using Forum.
So it's been invaluable to myself, my ability to work remotely, to delegate, and to really do other projects, bigger projects that I'm able to focus on instead of the daily grind.
Which is where Forums at Work comes in, and it helps to strengthen leadership bonds and manage that delicate balance between a positive employee experience and business growth.
I wish we've done this before now.
Definitely Forums at Work has worked for me. Thank you.